Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your pattern line invisible on lock screen, so you can unlock your phone with pattern lock without others seeing your pattern. First open settings, then go down to security. Now go down to screen lock, and once you've set your pattern lock, you can press on settings icon and press on make pattern visible, toggle it off to make it invisible, and now, how you can see, I can unlock my device without making my pattern visible, and I can turn it back on to unlock my device with visible pattern lock. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.